Hi! Today we are going to build a character, a little spooky or maybe not. Looks like a cool game skin or a fun toy figure. Ready to dive in? Let's get started! And of course it's gonna be Freddy Fazbear! Wait, where are we going?
Look at our terribly interesting mess. I suggest we clean it all up with the help of assembling the parts. And let's try to build something similar to this endoskeleton for starters. We start the assembly from the legs of Freddy's skeleton, moving higher and higher. See how our parts move with incredible magic. It's slowly coming together, isn't it? Now it's time for the top part of the skeleton to come together. Whoa! Look at those eyes. Are they following us? Don't worry, bear. Let's keep building. Head, ears, face, nose, jaw and teeth. Black hat. Do you like a different color? Eyebrows. Boom! We all got some little problems. Freddy, stop fooling around. I think we can start with the legs now. Our magical moving parts keep scoring. And every piece of our character fits right where it belongs. Amazing! Body and arms. Let's keep going. And now, Freddy's body parts magically snap into place. Looks like we don't miss anything. Everything there. Look at this awesome bear. And here we'll see how our bear Freddy Fazbear walks. Check out how he falls while flying, like right here, plus a few more amazing moves, and spins super fast. And of course, we'd love to show you how our 3D models look like, the one we made. As you can see, these are the top parts of our bear. They are made of a kind of mesh. It looks a bit like a little squares, doesn't it? We'll also show you Freddy's endoskeleton, the inside part that holds all the outside pieces together. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Lots of fun stuff is coming up. And now time for some dancing.